Afternoon, internet. Right, we have come to a place called Tiradentes, which is basically Tiradentes, which means something teeth, doesn't
it? Extracting teeth.
Extracting teeth. So I'm assuming that's what they used to do here. I don't know. Anyway, we come to this. Is a hotel room. It's quite nice. It's a bed and breakfast, but as you can see, we've got a nice big bed. We've got a great view of the mountains out the window.
I'm here.
And Alex is about to have a shower. So hopefully you can't see a reflection in the glass because she's naked. Oh, there's a big banana tree, palm. Wow. And this is the bathroom. With a bit of shishi in the toilet and some knickers on the side. Yeah, so that's it. It's really nice. It's really, well, from an English point of view, it's very cheap. Wait.
Oh, sorry.
Some people. Yeah, so we're gonna just chill out here for a few minutes and maybe have a shower because it's really, really humid here. And then we'll probably go for a little walk around the town, maybe go to a bar, something, I don't know, get something to eat. There's a lot to see. So we've got a whole day here tomorrow to see stuff as well. So yeah, catch you later. Good morning everyone, good morning internet. Here we are in a beautiful town called
Tiradentes.
We arrived yesterday afternoon and we slept most of the afternoon. We were very tired, didn't have much sleep on the night before. But we got up this morning, we had breakfast and we're going to do a little tour, I suppose, around here. But as you can see,
it's a colonial city.
It's a colonial city, but it's absolutely beautiful. Still got all the original stone streets, pavements and stuff like that. Absolutely amazing place.
And a beautiful mountain called São José.
This one's got the lurgy at the moment.
I'm dying actually.
Yeah, so we're going to go to the drugstore, just there, and hopefully get some pills and things to
drugs, lots of drugs.
Make her feel a bit better. So, yeah, as you can see over the back there are some horses and carriages you can go in. They've got a steam train and a motorbike museum.
Lots of waterfalls.
Yeah, waterfalls and everything. And it's mainly the architecture that people come here for though. It's just...
And the food.
And the food. Very good food, I have to say. Very good food. And being as I'm a Brit, the exchange rate's brilliant at the moment. So yeah, everything's very cheap. It's great. So yeah, we're going to go to the drugstore. We'll catch you later. Not really.
O meu ódio, caridade, a maldade, carícia, minha fé, malícia, e o pecado, vaidade, velhos costumes, novas manias. A verdade, o que invento, o momento que escolho, minha calma, tormento, a loucura, consolo, cantando blues de todo dia. Pra seu governo, solidão.
So, Tiradentes, colonial town, but most of this was built by the slaves, like these roads, all the roads here, everything was built by slaves during those times. And there are some streets that we walked around last night that only the slaves were, well, that were built for the slaves. Is that right?
For them not to mix with
the white people,
not
or the Europeans,
yeah, the owners, yeah,
known as the slaves, Portuguese at the time. So yeah, sad history, I suppose.
Yeah.
but it is history, which is always interesting. Yeah, lots of streets like this around. A bit dodgy to walk down, especially when they're wet.
Yeah.
Very slippery last night. It was raining a lot, which is why we didn't vlog anything. Plus we'd had a few drinks as well. So.
And lots of food.
Yeah, lots of food, lots of very good food. Yeah, right, latest. Take care. Ciao.
Vlogging. Ah! Yeah. Say hello to Cocavan. Cocavan.
Frango ao vinho?
Yes.
Por que o cocovan?
Depois eu te explico. Ah. Yes. Now a little panning. Yes, Tiradentes, before a beautiful place in Brazil. Come here.
I know only Jack Daniels, okay?
That's good. That's good for me.
Do you
I'm
know?
gonna have a little wander around. Ah. Hello, are you enjoying your time in Tiradentes? Yes, beautiful voice. Yes, and that's me, because I couldn't stay out of the video. Oh my goodness. Because what?
behind the guy with the bush bike.
There is a beetle! Oh, so cute! Christmas time!